This video is shot horizontal for a specific reason. Stay tuned, you'll know. Hello again, Sat Sri Akal Ji. This is Karanveer Narang, hashtag UpwardsKV, Communications Consultant. In today's video, we're not going to talk about any digital lesson, but a realization. Because you've already had a lot of digital lessons under lockdown, haven't you? So in Fun and Games, through gamification, I asked a couple of people if they did a digital marketing course during lockdown, and 48 of them said yes, they did. Now, who are these people? These people are my ex-colleagues from my MBA institute and so on, relevant people. Now, 70% of them say that they are not able to use the knowledge that they have from digital in their actual life. While there are so many courses hyped up these days, some for Instagram marketing, others for LinkedIn marketing and YouTube marketing, so on and so forth, there is actually a flow to this process which most people are not aware about. Even Amazon follows this flow, Apple follows this flow, all big companies follow this flow of process, which we are going to discuss about in this video. What you see over here is a pyramid model of traffic flow. You can call it UpwardsKV Model 1. Simple and subtle. Let me give you a quick introduction about this pyramid structure by giving a real life brick and mortar example, and then we will compare it with online and see how it functions exactly the same manner. In the real world, you either rent out or buy or construct an infrastructure, which is mostly a real estate. It can be a shop, an office, or any kind of a go down as well. या पहले बेचना शुरू कर देते हो. So whenever your infrastructure is ready, you now want to decorate it. Shringar. So people passing by from outside could come to know that something is being sold over here. Many big brands pay huge amount of money as rent to the shopkeepers to put their product in the display section. Retailing. Now that my offline brick and mortar shop is set, I want to advertise. So I distribute pamphlets and I put up hoardings so that people could come to know that I'm in the vicinity. My brick and mortar company has been into existence for quite some time now. The revenues have been good, the customers have been generous. Now I want to expand further, I want to go big, so I'll make public appearances and participate in big events. This is exactly how offline businesses and their communication grow through time. You'll be surprised to know that online communication flows in the same direction as well. Why else do you think there were backlinks to websites from emails, SMS, WhatsApp, even social media posts? People want you to go to their online real estate, their website. We made the Unfinished Business website through research from over 10 different international websites existing. I'm a consultant. How can I consult when I don't practice myself? In order to save you from boredom and to keep this video from becoming a 3-hour big blockbuster, I'm dividing this concept into multiple parts so that I can explain better through digestible content. Also, मुझे अक्षय कुमार की नौकरी नहीं खानी यार. He is love. अक्षय कुमार is love. So in the next video, we're going to talk about the base of the pyramid, which is the website. First base, both ways. That's what she said. So in the meanwhile, please go to our website and check out what we have been doing there. I would recommend desktop view for full graphic experience. We have made it quite tastefully. Link is in the description. Do follow us.